Okay, this is how I change the CO2 scrubbing media. I pull the tube off of the skimmer inlet and simply slide both of these containers up off the glass. They just sit there resting on this tube here. And then I empty the media. Usually the one that with the air inlet, the first stage, is exhausted, so that's the one, it should be purple, that I take out. I normally move the second stage to the first because this one is usually not as exhausted. That is the case this time as well. As I'm moving it, I take about a tablespoon of RODI water and drop it in the bottom of the canister. That's to, I guess, help it perform a little better. Might as well go ahead and put the second, the tablespoon in the bottom of the other canister, which I've done. So now we're gonna dump this. I'll have a container with the expired or used media standing by. So take this off. Please try not to get the pellets on the floor so the dogs don't eat them. I think it's probably pretty bad for them. Also, don't breathe in the dust, so be careful of that. And just get rid of this stuff. Hopefully there's enough room left in this bucket. Cutting it close. Okay, let's get it empty. Alright. And I'm about to empty what's left here, so this will become the new used bucket. So put the fresh media in. Set this aside. And you basically fill this one up to within about maybe an inch of the top. Not quite, doesn't need much. Just enough space for the sponges to go back and hold it in place. Okay, then make sure this threads on properly. Drop this one back in, the rubber stoppers face up. Close this up immediately because otherwise you're getting CO2 in the bucket and it will start depleting the functionality. So then remember which one was the first stage, right? The more consumed media or partially consumed media. Twist that on. Twist the other one on. Then just orient it properly so that the two are facing each other. That'll leave this little loop here that basically I can just loop over the side of the glass again and then reconnect the tube to the air inlet on the skimmer. That's it, done.